Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Segundo Quijay. I am in second year, class A. I am going to read a story. The foraging hip. Emma at Planet Lily, where they have wings before she had would it, but on the day of the party, she woke up late because she had forgotten to set her alarm. She realized she had left the hip at home. She to meet walk grey with it and arrived at our lit. We then Lily and already opened most hips lip smiled and yoked it thought you forgot me. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.